For ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, it says meow. D is for drum, let's play it now. A, B, C, come sing with me.
You might have seen these videos from your childhood, but have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels are making millions just by uploading simple animated kids songs? You might think it requires an expensive production team, professional animators, and a recording studio. But what if I told you that you could create videos just like them in less than 20 minutes using free AI tools? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create high-quality animated kids song videos step by step without any prior experience. And the best part? You don't need to show your face or even use your voice. Take Cocomelon, for example. This YouTube channel is one of the biggest names in kids content, boasting over 170 million subscribers and billions of views per month. According to estimates, Cocomelon earns between $1 million to $7 million per month in ad revenue alone, and that's just from YouTube ads. Imagine their income from sponsorships, brand deals, and merchandise. Another successful example is Lulu Kids, a channel that follows a similar formula and brings in millions of views daily. These channels prove just how powerful and profitable this niche is. So how do you get started? By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools and knowledge to create your own animated children's song videos from scratch. Let's jump in. Step 1. Generate a song idea and lyrics. The first step in creating a kid's song video is to come up with a great idea. If you're not sure where to start, AI can help. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for brainstorming ideas. Think about what kind of song you want to create. An ABC song, a counting song, a bedtime lullaby, or a song about good manners. These themes are popular and evergreen. Open ChatGPT and type something like, create a fun, upbeat kids song that teaches the alphabet with engaging melodies. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a song idea for you. If you don't like the first result, you can ask it to generate more options until you find the perfect one. Once you have your idea, ask ChatGPT to write full lyrics for your chosen theme. You can also specify the style, rhyme scheme, and simplicity of the words to make sure they are easy for kids to sing along to. Copy and paste the lyrics into a document for later use. Step 2. Convert lyrics into a song. Now that we have our lyrics, it's time to turn them into a professional-sounding song. But what if you can't sing or play instruments? No problem. AI tools like Suno AI make it possible to generate high-quality songs in seconds. Go to Suno AI and sign up for a free account. This tool allows you to create realistic-sounding songs using AI-generated vocals and instrumentals. Click Create, then choose the Custom Song option. Now, copy and paste your song lyrics into the text box. You can also specify the style of music, such as pop, jazzy, or nursery rhyme. Hit Generate, and within moments, you'll have a professionally made kids song with vocals and music to match. Suno AI will provide multiple versions. Listen to each and select the one that fits best. Download the final version in MP3 format so we can use it in the next steps. Step 3. Create visuals for your song. A great kids song video needs engaging visuals. To do this, we'll use AI-generated images. Start by asking ChatGPT to create detailed image prompts for each scene of your song. For example, if your song starts with A is for apple, your prompt might be, create a 3D rendered image of a bright red apple with a smiling cartoon face. The apple should be set in a colorful, child-friendly background. Now go to Leonardo AI, a free AI-powered image generator. Sign in and navigate to the image creation section. Copy and paste the first prompt and choose a child-friendly, vibrant art style. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll get a perfect image for your video. Download and repeat this process for every line of the song. Pro tip: if your song has a chorus, you can generate a single repeated image to maintain consistency throughout the video. Step 4. Animate the visuals. Now that we have our images, we need to bring them to life. AI video generators like Huo AI make this process incredibly easy. Go to the Huo AI website and create create an account. New users receive 100 free credits daily, which should be enough to complete a full video. Click Create, then upload the images we generated. Add scene descriptions and select the animation style. Huo AI will turn your static images into lively, animated clips. Generate a few variations and select the best versions. Download all your animated clips, and we're ready for the final step. Step 5. Edit and combine everything now. Let's put everything together using CapCut, a free and powerful video editing tool. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your animated clips and the song audio file. Drag and drop each clip onto the timeline, aligning them with the song lyrics. CapCut also has an auto caption feature that generates subtitles automatically. Use this to add lyrics at the bottom of your video so kids can sing along. To make your video even more engaging, add fun transitions, background effects, and animated stickers. Once everything looks good, export your final video in 4K resolution for the best quality. A is for apple, red and sweet B is for ball, bounce to the beat C is for cat, it says meow D is for drum. Let's play it now. And just like that, you've created a high-quality kids song video using only AI tools. You didn't need a big budget, a professional production team, or even any special skills. Just free AI tools and a little creativity. And that's it. You now have a fully animated kids song video ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Step 6. Upload and optimize your video for maximum views. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube and optimize it for the best reach. Start by going to YouTube Studio and clicking Upload Video. Choose a compelling title, such as Fun Alphabet Song for Kids, Learn ABCs with Music, to attract viewers. In the description, include relevant keywords like kids learning songs, alphabet song, educational music, and animated kids songs to improve search visibility. Select a visually appealing thumbnail that stands out and add appropriate tags while categorizing your video under kids. To maximize engagement and revenue, enable monetization and closed captions, then click Publish. Finally, share your video on social media platforms to drive additional traffic and boost views. Step 7. Scale your channel and make money. After publishing your first video, continue producing more using the same AI-powered workflow to accelerate your channel's growth. There are several ways to monetize your content, including YouTube ad revenue, where you earn money from ads displayed on your videos. You can also secure brand sponsorships by partnering with educational brands for promotions. Affiliate marketing is another option, allowing you to promote learning products and earn commissions from sales. Additionally, you can sell kids' learning products as merchandise through your channel, or offer exclusive content to paying subscribers via YouTube memberships. The more quality content you create, the greater your chances of growing a profitable YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? By following these steps, you can start your own profitable YouTube channel today. Try this method now and start building a successful YouTube business with AI-powered kids content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI Explorer for more AI-powered content creation tutorials. Now, go ahead and start your own faceless YouTube channel today.